AJ Fox with your local weather authority forecast.
So windy out there. We saw all the trees coming down. I know there are power outages that PG&E is dealing with. More than 2,500 people were impacted at some point. So we need to know when this is going to end.
Later tonight. I mean, this is going to go like this for several more hours. Okay. So, you know, not just in the next couple of minutes or something. It looks like that at least through our early evening newscast, the wind advisory is set to expire at 11 p.m. So we could have strong winds into the 10 o'clock hour and have gusts in the 40-mile-per-hour category like they are right now. Take a look at these are all the current winds that we can show you. 24 miles per hour in Fresno, not the strongest. Look at Hanford, 28-mile-per-hour winds there. It's 23 in Porterville, Madera, and Merced. Lemoore, 33-mile-per-hour winds. And right now, the gusts in the area are 44 miles per hour. Our gusts in Fresno are 40 miles per hour. And so they're real strong winds out there. The consistent winds are very strong even on their own, but those gusts getting above 40 miles per hour is a little unusual and not completely unexpected with this system. The wind advisory issued by the National Weather Service going until 11 o'clock tonight. We also have a high wind warning that's over to the eastern side of the Sierra. It's out of our viewing area, but also the same high wind warning is issued over the Grapevine. And so strong winds down there too. So if you're going to do some traveling this afternoon, I would advise you might even want to put that off until tomorrow if you could possibly do that. 65 degrees right now in Fresno, and we see that we've got sunshine, and that says Visalia again, but 26-mile-per-hour winds there. The dew point is nice and dry, 36, and visibility is pretty good at 8 miles. Looking at our skies, our radar showing our skies pretty clear. We had some rain earlier in the day. We'll get to that in a moment. But if you look at this area, we have some snow around the Tulare County and just on the edge of Fresno County. So some fairly low elevation snow. This is why we have all this cold air coming in. The wind has been the delivery system of this cold air. So we're not away from winter type weather just yet. And it's not an incredible amount, but there was some. And if you see the low that's generally centered over in towards Nevada, it's this front that came through and this jet stream sitting right on top of us that actually made the wind so strong right through the valley and especially over those mountain passes. Again, this is going to stick with us until 11 o'clock tonight, so that's the rest of the afternoon and all this evening. We're expecting the wind to be with us. Tomorrow, Futurecast gives us nothing but clear skies all across the valley, and that's going to a lot of sunshine and a lot less wind means that our temperatures are going to rise quite a bit. Our overnight low temperatures tonight on the chilly side. Look at that, 42 in Pixley, 43 in Visalia, 42 in Lemoore, 45 in 5 Points in San Joaquin, 41 in Madera, Chowchilla 44, 40 in Mariposa, Merced 43, and Los Banos 47 degrees. Expect a high in Merced of 69, a 70 in Chowchilla and also Madera. 71 in San Joaquin, 69 in Huron, 70 in Coalinga, 69 for Lemoore, Visalia 66, 71 in Tulare, 67 in Porterville, and 69 for Delano. Air quality is going to be in the good range. So we had a little bit of rain on the valley floor, and some of that fell in Fresno, about 1/10 of an inch actually, and now we've got the wind. That wind is actually very helpful at keeping all of our air quality in the good range. Tonight, expect an overnight low of 44. The wind dying down to the 10 to 15 miles per hour category. That's overnight. For the rest of this evening, 20, 30, 40 mile per hour winds are not going to be out of the question. Tomorrow, 5 to 10 mile per hour winds. In fact, you won't even be able to feel them after today. 69 will be our high, so we're getting a little bit warmer. And over the next several days, we're going to get a lot warmer this weekend, especially with all the sunshine we're expecting. And then those temperatures should easily get into the 70s, if not the lower 80s. In fact, I'm looking for an 82 on Sunday. Temperatures after that, mid-70s with a little increase in clouds coming Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday and Thursday, we're back to the lower 80s, so it's going to feel like spring again. Your regional forecasts, they are available on our website at yourcentralvalley.com. So Fresno should be done with the wind after tonight. Couple areas like Lemoore and maybe in the North Valley may still have some strong winds tomorrow to deal with as well, and then it'll be done. But by the time the weekend gets here, everybody should be nice and mild and getting warmer.
Very nice.
I'm just happy I'm on this side of the Sierra and not on the other side of the Sierra. Bishop,
yes.
I saw that number.
Oh, yeah, it's amazing how windy it could be over there.
Rolling really bad. Thanks very much, AJ.
A town in the Netherlands.